Hello, hi friends and students. This is Naresh. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss about fractions concept. Watch the video till the end. You can get good information. Let's begin the class. So fractions, bhinnalu. So I want to explain about first what is the fraction. So I'm taking one example like a cake. It is one cake, whole cake. I am dividing into some equal parts. So I have done equal parts are 4 here, sorry 8, total 8 parts are there. Now I have taken one piece from this like this is one piece. So this one, actually this total cake we can say that this is 1. Okay, from this we have taken some part. So this one, how can you represent, means actually I divided into 8 equal parts. Then we can say that 1 by 8. Out of the 8 parts I have taken only 1, so we can write as 1 by 8. Okay, so this is called fraction. What is fraction? Means the part of whole means this is total one, we can say that whole. In that, if you take any part, we can call as fraction. Okay, so in this fraction, this line is called vinculum. Okay, so above the vinculum we can call numerator, and this one is called denominator, lavamu haramu. Okay, so this is called vinculum. So this is called the fraction, and we have the types of the fractions: proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction also. Okay, so now this one we can say that example for proper fraction, because here numerator is less than the denominator. If the numerator is less than the denominator, we can say that proper fraction, krama binnamu. Okay, so here like that, one more example, 2 by 5, this one also proper fraction. And what is improper fraction? Means if the numerator is greater than the denominator, then we can say that improper fraction. For example, 5 by 2, this is improper fraction. Okay, so how can you its value is greater than or equal to 1. Improper fraction value is greater than or equals to 1, and this one less than 1, its value should be less than 1. Okay, so this is improper. Now example for improper means it is greater than 1. So for example, I have taken 2 cakes. In this total cake I have taken, in this some parts I am going to take. So these are the 2 parts I have taken. It will be 2 by 8 and it is 1. This 1 plus 2 by 8. So this one, how can you do this? Means we can say that 8 plus 1 and 10 by 8. So this is improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. So 10 by 8 is improper fraction example. And we can say this one we can write as 1 2 by 8 also. This one we can call as mixed fraction. Mixed, this is improper. Okay, apakrama binnamu. Okay, and krama binnamu, apakrama binnamu, proper fraction, improper fraction. This is mixed fraction. Why we are saying this is mixed fraction? Means it is having whole part and a fraction part. One is called whole part, 2 by 8 is called a fraction part. So 1 2 by 8 we can say that mixed fraction. So whole part and a fraction part. So this 1 2 by 8 is mixed fraction. We can write in the form of improper fraction also. So how can you say that? Just now I have done 8 plus 1, 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 2, so 10. Then you will get 10 by 8 like this. 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Like that we can convert into mixed into improper, improper into mixed. So this is the conversion process of the fractions. And now here, simplest form of the fraction. What is the simplest form of the fraction? For example, 20 by 48 is there. It is also fraction, but it is not in simplest form. So why we are not saying it is in simplest form? It is not in simplest form means, so here these two are having common factor except 1. Okay, sorry, these two are having common factors. What are the common factors? It is divisible by 2, it is also divisible by 2, and 4 like that. So how can you say that fraction is in simplest form? Means numerator and denominator, their common factor should be only 1. Okay, so here 20 by 48. So 20 is divisible by So 2 10s are 2 24s are like that, 2 5s are 2 12s are. Now there is no common factor for these two except 1. So 5 by 12, now it is in simplest form. Okay, so now the simplest form of the 20 by 48 is 5 by 12. In the examinations also you can get simplest form of problems. So here, and 5 by 12 we can call as equivalent fraction also, equivalent. So what is the equivalent fraction? Means by numerator and denominator, by dividing a number or by multiplying a number, you can get the simplest fraction. So here we have divided, so which number means 48. So we have divided with 4. So 20 by 4, 48 by 4. 20 by 4 means 5 and 48 by 4 means 12. So this is called equivalent fraction also. Okay, and it is in simplest form. Why it is in simplest form? Means the factors of 5 is 1 and 5, and here factors are 1 2 3 4 6 12 like that, but common factor of these two is only 1. Then we can say it is in simplest form. Okay, so simplest form, and here equivalent fractions. So this one you have to remember. The one more thing, like fractions. What are the like fractions? If the fractions having same denominator, we can call like. Otherwise, unlike fractions. For example, here the 1 by 5, 4 by 5, 12 by 5. So these are called example for like fractions, because these fractions having same denominator. Okay, if they are having different denominators, we can call unlike fractions. Okay, so unlike fractions examples. So like and unlike, like that. And you need to understand, once conversion process improper into mixed, mixed into improper, just I am writing. So 2 3 by 5, this is mixed. How can you convert into improper? So very simple, just now I told, these two we have to multiply 5 into 2 and plus this one we have to add by this denominator as it is, you have to write. Okay, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13, directly you can say 13. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 by 5. So this is improper form of this mixed, both are equal. So mixed fraction we can convert into improper, improper also we can convert into mixed. How can you write mixed? So 13 by 5 I am converting into mixed. So you divide the 13 with 5. 5 how many times? 5 2s are 10, remainder is 3. Okay, now how can you write? Means the quotient remainder by divisor, quotient remainder by divisor. So what is the quotient? So we know that this is divisor, this is dividend, here quotient remainder. Quotient means 2, remainder 3 by divisor 5, 2 3 by 5. Okay, so like that we can convert improper fraction into mixed, mixed into improper. This is the conversion process. And the fundamental operations, how can you apply the fractions? So here, for example, I am taking 2 by 5 and 3 by 5, like fractions is there. Directly you can do, this is just by taking single denominator, you can add the numerators. 2 plus 3, 5 by 5, this value is 1. Okay, when it is this process means their here denominators are same if they are like fractions. Why we are taking single one? Means here LCM of these two we have to take. 5 LCM is 5 only, like that process. So what is the LCM process also I can explain later. So next is subtraction, different unlike fractions I am taking. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. So how can you add these two? So unlike fractions, so some of the students will do like this: 2 plus 3 5, 3 plus 4 7, 5 by 7 they will write. So it is very wrong. So how can you do? Means first we have to make the denominators equal. So how can you make the denominators equal? Two process I am going to say that. 3 4 LCM, otherwise without LCM, first this 4 we can multiply with this. 2 by 3 into 4 by 4, directly we have to multiply. Why 4 by 4 means? 4 by 4 means 1. 1 is called multiplicative identity. We can multiply with any number, there is no change. Okay, same like that. And 3 by 4 plus, here this denominator multiply with this 3 by 3, into. Okay, so like this step. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Now converted into like fractions. Now same process, 8 plus 9 by 12, this is 17 by 12. So what is the LCM process? LCM process you need to understand 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Okay, 3 4 LCM is 12. You do. So 12 is the LCM of 3 and 4. And process is divide the LCM with the denominator. 3 how many times? 3 4s are 12. This 4 multiply with 2. So 4 into 2. Next sign is plus. If it is minus also same process. And 4 3s are, okay, so 3 into 3. So again 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9 by 12. So 17 by 8. So this is the process. So 17 by 12. Okay, right. So these two are same process, but here process is different. LCM, here LCM process, this is the making the denominators into same like fraction, converting into the like fractions. Okay, so like that we can do addition or subtraction. If it is minus sign, so same process, minus, here minus 8 minus 9 minus 1 by 12. So this is a subtraction process. Okay, so subtraction, this is addition of unlike fractions. Next, multiplication, very easy multiplication, 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. So just for this multiplication, remember that multiply the numerators and denominators. 2 3s are 6, 3 4s are 12. If you want to write simplest form, 6 1s are 6 2s are. So 1 by 2, this is simplest form. So like that you can do multiplication of the unlike fractions. This is subtraction of the unlike fraction. This is addition of the unlike fractions. So division, what is it? How can you take the division process? So 2 by 3 we are dividing with 3 by 4. So very simple thing, your division sign you write as into. It's a multiplicative inverse. What is a multiplicative inverse means? 3 by 4, its multiplicative inverse is actually 1 3 by 4. 1 3 by 4 nothing but 4 by 3. So numerator as denominator, denominator as numerator. So 4 by 3. So now the same process. 2 4s are 8, 3 3s are 9. So this is the quotient of these two. This is division. So subtraction, addition, division, multiplication of the unlike fractions. Okay. So, and this is about the introduction part of the fractions. I have taken some important problems in this and comparison of the fractions also we have. So by taking one problem I can say that. So here one problem is there. These are the some important problems from fraction chapter. These are very useful to competitive exams. So first problem, I am taking that 5 1 by 5 plus 4 1 by 2 plus 4 1 by 3. So here all three mixed fractions we are doing addition. So for every mixed fraction you need to convert into improper form. Okay, after that you can solve that. So just now I explained 5 5s are 25, 25 and 6 by 5, 26 plus 1. And 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13 by 3. Now the process is 5 2 3 LCM we have to take. Actually these three are prime numbers. Prime numbers LCM, you know that they product only. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30 is the LCM of 5 2 3. 30. Now process. 5 6 are 30. 6 times. 5 6 times 30. So 6 into 26 you have to write. 6 into 26 plus 2 15s are 15 into 9. 15 into 9. And plus 3 how many times? 10 times. 10 into 13. 10 into 13. Okay. So 26 6 are 120 and 36. 156. The 15 9s are, we know that 9 5s are 45, 91, 35 and here 130. So by 30. So 156, 65, 56, 56, 1, 1, 2, 1 and 3, 421 by 30. So this is the sum of these three numbers, and this one we can convert into mixed also. How can you do the process? Divide this one 421 with 30. Actually, okay, 31s are 30 and here what is the remaining? 2 and 2, 121. 3 34s are 120, 120, remainder is 1. So quotient 14, remainder 1 by divisor. This is the process. So this is mixed fraction. It is both are same, but it is an improper, it is mixed fraction. So this is the addition process for mixed fractions. First conversion process, everybody you have to learn. Okay, now this is the one of the important problems. I am going to explain that. So 1 by many times we can observe in competitive exams this problem. 1 by and 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 5. Sorry, 4 plus 1 by 5. So for this problem you have to come from down. Okay, so first I am taking this part. So and you have to remember multiplicate inverse. How can you take the multiplicate inverse? So just okay, by taking that I will say. So first 4 plus 1 by 5. What is a 4 plus 1 by 5? Next we can write 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 5. This is the value of this. Okay, and you are having 1 by. So 1 by means we can take reciprocal of that. So 5 by 21 it will be. So here 21 by 5 you are getting for this value. So you can write 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 21 by 5. Okay, so 1 by 21 by 5 you can remember that its multiplicative inverse you can take 5 by 21. Okay, so you can write 1 by 2 in 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 21. This is the process. Its value is 5 by 21. And simplify this separately. I am doing 3 plus 5 by 21. 21 3s are okay. 63 plus 5, 68 by 21. So its value you are getting 68 by 21, and its reciprocal 1 by is there na 21 by 68. So we can write 1 by 2 plus, directly I am writing without one step, 21 by 68. Actually this value is 68 by 21 and its reciprocal I have taken. Okay, now it simplify this 2 plus 21 by 68. Okay, 68 2s are 136 and 136, 157 by 68. Okay, so now this one we can write 1 by this value we are getting 157 by 68. 157 by 68, directly we can write 68 by 157. Okay, this is the process. So anything 1 by is there, some for example 1 by 24 by 5 like that is there. Why it is 5 by 24 means you think once 1 nothing but 1 by 1 we can assume. Okay, 1 by 1, and division sign we can write as into. Its reciprocal is 5 by 24. 1 5s are 5, 24 1s are 24, like that also you can get. Okay, so this is one of the important problems for competitive exams. You note down this. I am going to run. So next, comparison of the fractions. So how can you compare which is greater, which is smaller? I have taken one problem here, 5 by 8 and 2 by 3 and 7 by 9, 3 by 5. Okay, so these we are going to compare. How can you compare this? First you have to do one thing. By making the denominators same you can compare that, means converting into like fractions. So how can you convert? So for example, so what is the LCM of 8 3 9 5? I am going to do synthetic division method. So we have to take the divisor, at least it should divide 2. So 3, these both are divisible. 8 not divisible, 1 3 5. So no common divisor, directly multiply. For this no common divisor except 1. Okay, so we can multiply. 3 8s are 24 and 15, 5 4s are 20 and 12, 24, 360. Okay, so 360 we are getting is LCM. So we have to make the denominator as 360. So without confusion I will say one thing, 8 1s are okay, 1 3 5 and 3 1 1. So you do like this, then you can get the easy process. Because so to make the 8 as 360, what we have to multiply? You check here. Here 8 is there. You multiply remaining 3, then you can get the its multiplicative number. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So you are going to multiply 45. So how can you multiply the 45 to numerator denominator means you have to multiply in numerator also, because its value is 1. Okay, 45 by 45. And 2 by 3. 3 how many times? 360. 3. If you are not getting, you can check here. 8 3 is 24, 24 5 is 120, we know that, into 120 by 120. Okay. So next 7 by 9. I am going to rub this here. What is the pair? 3 8 into 5. Okay. So next 7 by 9 into 9. 9 how many times? So you're not having 9, but how can you check? 3 3s are 9. So remaining 8 5s are 40 times. Okay. So next 3 by 5. 5 how many times? Except 5 you multiply remaining. 3 3s are 9, 9 8s are 72. So this is the process. So we are converting in the denominator as same, means converting into 360. So 545 is 225. So by 360, blindly we can write because we are taken correctly only. Okay. So 240 by 360 and 280 by 360. Okay. 216 by 360. So now you can observe these are like fractions and these are equivalent to this. Equivalent 5 by 8 is equals to 220. Equivalent fractions. Okay. So now we can do the comparison. How can you compare that? Just compare the numerators. Okay. So here what are the numerators? First 216 is very smaller, and next 225, 240, finally 280. So which is largest one? Which is largest? 280 by 360. So you should not write 280 by 360. It's equivalent. What is the equivalent fraction? 7 by 9. 7 by 9 is the greatest, largest number among these four. Okay. So this is the process. And you can write in ascending order also. What is the ascending order of this? Ascending order, descending order, he may ask that. So this is first one. Okay. This is second and third and fourth. What is the first one? Means 3 by 5 is the smallest one. Next second one 5 by 8. Only equivalent fractions we have to write. Okay. Third 240 by 360. This one third 7 by. So this is largest. No? The third second one 2 by 3 and largest one is 7 by 9. This is ascending order. Descending order means reverse. Like that you can write. So this problem is useful to find the largest and smallest of the fractions, unlike fractions. And ascending order and descending order also, it is very useful. Okay. Thank you. Next, so some problems having the word as off. What is the off? Instead of off, you have to remember that into sign you have to keep. Okay. So off 4 by 7 off is there means into, and 2 by 3 into, 5 by 6 into, 5 by 8 of 1008. Okay. So this is a process. Instead of off word you have to write into sign. Now do the cancellation. So 4 1s are 4 2s are, and 2 2 will be cancelled. Okay. Is there any common divisor for this? No. Okay. So next 1008, is it divisible by 3? Yes. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 336. Again divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 6 also. 6 1s are 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. So and 7 and 56. 7 1s are 7 8s are. So finally remaining is 5 into 5 into 8. 8 5s are 40. Okay. 4 5s are 20. 200 directly. So this is the value of this. So sometimes you may ask like this problem in competitive exams. 4 by 7, 2 by 3 of word is there. You have to write into sign. Okay. So some verbal problems also I have taken for this class, only 2. The fraction denominator is increased by 80% and numerator increased by 300%. So the fraction becomes 2 by 9. Then what is the fraction? Okay, so first I am taking that fraction is like x by y. Okay, so x is increased by 80%. First, what is the 80% of increased by 80% means directly in short form I am saying that it's 180% we have to take. Okay, directly I am writing 180%. How can you take 180 by, so into 180 by 100, 0 0 cancel, 2 9s are 2 5s are, so 9x by 5. This is the fraction, fraction denominator. Okay, sorry, denominator is decreased by 80%. Decreased means we have to reduce. Okay, so what is the denominator means y, it's reduced means 80% reducing means we have to take it's 20% only, short form. Okay, no need to find 80% or no need to subtract, so directly 20% this. So 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2 5s are, it is nothing but y by 5. Okay, next numerator increased by 300%. Okay, increased by 300% means total 400% we have to take. So 400% of x means 400 by x into 400 by 100, 2 zeros will be cancelled, this is nothing but 4x. Okay, now here 4x by y by 5 is equals 2 by 9. So we can write 4x is equals to 2, x is equals to 2 by 4, x is equals to 1 by 2, and y by 5 so is equals 9. So you can write, do the cross multiply, y is equals 45. So 1 by 2 by 45, we can write 1 by 2 into 45 by 1, this is 45 by 2. So like that you can write the fraction. Okay, so this is a process for percentage. And one more problem here, if numerator and denominator of fraction added by 3, fraction becomes 4 by 5, then find the fraction. So here so one more hint is there here, the fraction, so numerator is 2 more than the denominator, numerator is 2 more than the denominator, you remember that. So that is the condition. So first condition, 2 more than the denominator, so numerator is 2 4 by 5 by 7. Okay, sorry, denominator is 2 more than the numerator. So this is the problem. So first here denominator is 2 more than the numerator is there, so numerator we have to take as any variable because it's relation with numerator, denominator relation with numerator. So numerator I am assuming as x. Then what about denominator means 2 more than the numerator. So what is the denominator now? Denominator, okay, this is equals x plus 2. Okay, now what is the fraction? How can you write x by x plus 2? Okay, numerator and denominator. Here now the problem is, so numerator and denominator added by 3, fraction becomes 4 by 5. So here this is added by 3, added by 3 means x plus 3 and x plus 2 plus 3, this is equals, so x plus 3 by, okay, directly I am writing, it becomes how much? 4 by 5, so 4 by 5. So x plus 3 by x plus 5, this is equal 4 by 5. Okay, now here do the cross multiplication because it is in single variable, so 5 into x plus 3, it is binomial, like you need to write bracket. Okay, so 4 into x plus 5, so 5x plus 15 and 4x plus 20. Okay, now do the transposing, 4x and here 5x, variable terms same side, LHS, transposing, it becomes minus 4x. Okay, sign will change because it is in addition form. So 20 minus 15, 15 transposed minus 15, 5 minus 4, 1x, 1x means no need to write 1, this is x, and 20 minus 15, this is nothing but 5. So x is equal to 5. Then what about x plus 2 means 5 plus, this is 5, this is 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 means 7. Then what is the fraction means 5 by 7. Okay, this is the fraction. I am checking is it correct or not. So 5, these both are added by 3, 5 plus 3, 7 plus 3, you are getting 8, 8 by 10. So 2 4s are 2 5s are, you see 4 by 5, the fraction becomes 4 by 5. Okay, so this is the process of the fractions. So thank you friends, I hope that you have understood the concept. If you are feeling that this class having good information, please like my video, share to others, subscribe my channel. Thank you, bye bye.